Hello, my name is Neville Smith, and I will be talking about what a PMI is, what they have to offer, and certifications that are available within this organization. So, what is the PMI? PMI stands for Project Management Institute and is the world's leading professional association for a growing global community of millions of project professionals and change makers worldwide. Within this organization, you can earn a membership with them that shows your commitment towards a project management career as you move forward within the field. They are a for-purpose type of organization, and they are predominantly found almost everywhere worldwide. The PMI offers include global recognized standards, certifications, online courses, thought leadership, tools, digital publications, and communities. On top of that, the PMI empowers people to turn their ideas into reality. Global advocacy, networking, collaboration, research, and education helps prepare organizations and individuals at every stage of their career journey to work smarter so they can drive success in a world of change. So, the certifications that are available. The PMI offers several certifications. The PMI certifications span subject matters and include business analysis, risk management, scheduling, and more. Within your first 3 years, you can earn certifications in PMI Project Management Ready, CAPM, PMI ACP, DASM, and DASSM. After that, once you have 3+ years of experience, you can earn certifications such as PMP, PMI PBA, DAVSC, and DAC. And within those timeframes, while you're earning these certifications, you can also earn specializations such as PMI RMP, PMI SP, AHPP, AMMC, CDP, CDBA, Built Environment Project Communication Pro, and an OTF. And then once you have 8+ years of experience, you can earn certifications in PGMP and PFMP. So a PMI is, if you're going into a project management field, is probably the best option to join or be part of the association because it will help further your career moving forward, as well as give you credentials and certifications that would help you get more opportunities within your field or within this field of employment.